Alright guys, in today's vlog I'm gonna do a chain adjustment. Okay, you know when you buy these bikes you have to do your own safety precaution. This chain look a little bit too slack to me, as you can see down there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna need a 32 mil to pull this axle bolt. You're gonna need a 14 and a 10 to adjust the chain. I'm gonna also do a brake and clutch and back brake, front brake, clutch plunge, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna focus on the chain. So let me get set up. I'll get this video on the go. Okay, so I'm gonna carry it closer to get you to see what I'm doing right here. Screw it down, and here is some increments. I remember when the bike is actually moving, the sprocket goes in, so you can't have the chain too tight or too slack, because it will overstretch the chain or it will have too much slacks, and that's bad for business. So anything you're doing for one side, for this side, you have to do that the same on the other side, because you will have wear in the tire. Remember guys, the adjustment you're gonna use on this side is the same on that side, and you can see the chain is getting a little bit more tension on it. I'm just adjusting this side, count the increments on this side, making sure that it's the same on the other side. Okay, that adjustment looks like it's fine, so I'm just gonna use my torque wrench, set it to 83 foot-pound. I'm gonna put it to 85 just to be on the safe side, and torque this big boy right here to 85 foot-pound of torque. So let me go ahead and just set this up. Set to 85 foot-pound of torque. So I'm gonna start it and hear it sound.